Hi there. When customers leave you reviews, you can reward them with a discount as a thank you and also encourage them to buy again. Now, to set this feature up, all you need to do is to log on to your Kudobuzz dashboard and click on Coupon Rewards. Now, make sure the feature is enabled on your Kudobuzz dashboard. Next is to choose the criteria. For example, you can reward customers who leave 4 to 5-star reviews and above. The next section is to select the coupon criteria. You can either choose to select a manual coupon code or a dynamic coupon code. Now, the manual coupon code is the code you create yourself. All you need to do is to enter the code over here. However, the dynamic coupon code, this is generated by the system. When you're done, ensure to save changes. Next is the discount email template. This is where you can customize the message to match your brand. Please do not change the parts inside those brackets. So over here, you can change the email template to suit your brand tone. Additionally, you can send a test email to yourself so you can see how it looks like. And that's it. This is how to reward your customers with coupons.